Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start right away by restarting the shell. Open Task Manager with Ctrl+Shift+ESC, find Windows Explorer, right-click and choose Restart. Once done, sign out and back in or reboot if the Start menu is still unresponsive. Make sure you close any new apps you installed recently because they can inject shell extensions. Use a clean boot if needed. Acting now avoids wasted steps and often restores Start without deeper fixes, so don't pause, try these simple restarts first. Once the quick restarts didn't fix it, you repair Windows components. Open an elevated PowerShell and run sfc/scano to scan and repair corrupted system files. Follow that with dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to fix the system image. After these complete, restart or manually restart shell experience host and start menu experience host services to reinitialize Start components. These commands address underlying file corruption and service issues that commonly break the Start menu. Finally, verify whether the problem is profile-specific by creating a new local user and signing in. If Start works there, migrate your data and remove the corrupted profile. If not, reinstall Start-related packages with PowerShell commands to re-register the Start menu and tiles. As a last resort, roll back recent Windows updates or perform an in-place repair install to keep apps and files. If any step fails, note error messages and try safe mode. That information speeds targeted fixes when you seek further help.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.